Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to show you how I made this really easy Dollar Tree fall centerpiece. So the first thing that you're going to need is some sort of jar or container. I'm just using this milk glass jar that I had lying around the house, and then you're also going to need some fake greenery, a glue gun, as well as some ribbon to go around the jar. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your jar and you're going to measure the amount of burlap or ribbon to go around the outside of the jar, and then you are just going to trim it with scissors. I use a glue gun to secure the ribbon around the edge of the glass. I just used a little dab of glue at the top and the bottom of the ribbon and then held it in place until the glue dried. Then you are going to take your greenery. So when you are making a bouquet, what you want to do is have one centerpiece and then build around it. So I'm using this cotton bunch as my centerpiece, and then I'm adding the leaves behind it. And I just decided to move around the cotton bunches so I could stick the leaves through so they could be a little more visible. I just used one flower on either side and stuck it in at an angle so that the stems were intertwined, and that way it was secure. And then I just followed up with the same thing on the other side using the other color that I had. Is what my bouquet looked like at the end, and then you can secure it with a rubber band or ribbon, but mine fit perfectly inside of my milk glass, so I actually didn't need to add an extra step there. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button because I am doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I will see you guys later.